Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. Today I'm going to show you to fix a easy problem with most Android devices as well as Alcatel devices. So I'm using Alcatel to demonstrate. It applies to Alcatel as well as other Android devices, including Samsung's as well, guys. In case you're stuck in safe mode, meaning you're continuously seeing safe mode on your screen and your device keeps on starting up in safe mode, I'm going to show you how to get out of this mode. All right. So first thing you need to always bear in mind that safe mode is not a normal mode. Your device should be in normal mode where there's no safe mode text on screen. If your device keeps on ending up in the mode, here are some reasons or ways to exit the mode or to fix the problem and to stop it from booting up in that mode. All right. So first of all, guys, first way to try to exit is to try to see in the system tray up here. Swipe down. You should look around here if there's an option that says reboot to normal mode or something relating to reboot. On some devices it will appear here, and others it won't. On this device it doesn't show it any at all, which would mean that of course that you cannot exit with the option in the menu up here. So go ahead and exit. If it's not there, guys, then another option would be to go ahead and try to reboot using the power button. So go ahead and press and hold the power button and simply restart or power off. By doing that, it will allow you to go back to normal mode, and of course it should be easy from there. The device should start up in normal mode. In some cases, doing all of that will not change anything, and there's another reason why you've been booted into that mode. And of course the reason is usually that the case that you have on your phone, it's malfunctioning and it's actually holding down the volume down, and either holding down a volume down button or volume up button. Well, in most cases it's going to be volume down, and when you press power, what's happening is that because volume down is being held down prematurely, what's happening is it's continuously booting into the mode. So remove the case, reboot, and see if the problem is fixed. If it's fixed, it would mean that it was the case. Another case is that it could be that there's dirt or grime in the volume button or power button, and it's causing the buttons to be pressed, and your device thinks you're trying to boot into safe mode, and as a result it's continually booting that mode. So power off the phone if you can and try to clean out between the buttons here. Use paper, thin firm piece of paper. You could use a toothpick or something small and clean out the buttons, both power and volume down, and basically nudge, blow between the buttons to try to unstuck them. Once the button is unstuck, go ahead and reboot the device or choose on screen the option that says exit safe mode. Once you do that, guys, the device will boot into normal mode and you should not have an issue. All right, so I'm gonna wrap up this tutorial here. As always, guys, Ricardo Gardner basically giving you tips that I've used on countless occasions to fix this issue on many devices. All right, Ricardo Gardner saying bye. Until next time. Bye.